Every harvest begins with light. At dawn, the fields awaken, bright, alive, filled with promise.
Harvest is here! This is SWPUC Harvest Season!
After years of hard work and dedication and faith, the Southwestern Philippine Union Conference gathers the fruit of its churches whose mission drives every member in tilling the soil of hope and faith in God. This is a season of abundant celebration of blessing entrusted to us by God.
For Southwestern Philippine Union Conference, these fields are our churches, our communities, our home, our storehouse for which we bring God's blessing and abundance back to His mission.
For 5 years, records of faith, faithful coordination of all meetings and improved lives, and support for all evangelistic efforts have been established. And now, by God's grace, we are ready to harvest.
The harvest isn't just about the crops in the field. It's about how every hand, every heart, every effort comes together to prepare for a feast of mission, a meal that nourishes communities and glorifies God. Every ministry, every program, every plan, like a seed, was planned with faith. In education, in health, in evangelism, in youth ministries, in women and children, the possibility ministries, the Adventist mission, the publishing, in the communication, with Sulads, 1,000 missionaries, and the spirit of prophecy.
And now we are ready to cook for our mission!
This is the kitchen of the mission,
Where recipes for transforming lives will be prepared.
Now on your stations, let the cooking for the mission begin.
In the kitchen of the mission, everything comes alive. Here, the ingredients of the ministry are washed, chopped, blended, and seasoned, refined into something greater than the sum of their parts. Ingredients bring flavor and power. The Sabbath School and Personal Ministries with Ministerial Forces work grounds our mission, giving a ministry a firm, beautiful base. Sabbath School classes turned into care groups. Enhancement of Sabbath School teachers and superintendents via media platforms are continued. Harvest 2025 initiative has empowered ASI.
I already heard a couple of Bible study in the past years. I finally decided to be converted and to be baptized as a Seventh-day Adventist together with my family. And also, I like to hear the good news and the truth and the Bible, especially Jesus Christ.
Stewardship adds special seasoning, faithfulness. Through faithful tithe giving, campaign for the combined offering plan, and systematic giving that goes nationwide, paired with the wise management of God's resources, acknowledging that everything belongs to God, the mission source is preserved and multiplied. Evangelism brings the fire, the heat that transforms. Harvest 2025 evangelistic meetings and Caravan for Mission brought thousands to faith.
One night, ana si Auntie Helen Mortorillas. Ma'am lang, mag-appeal tag care group. Pag abot ako dito, murag lahi kay akong feeling ba happy kay ko nga tapos ma-enjoy gid ko after nga murag seryoso kaayo, makauli ka na kay madala ba nga leksyon. Tapos syempre pag after ana og potluck nga mag-prepare good, bibo kayo mo kay nay mga potluck, magkaan chika-chika. Hangtod na anak ko sa akong bana, ang pagbalhin sa religion is dili na siya pug sanay. Dapat makita nimo sa imong heart kung unsa ang imong gusto. Kung asa ka happy, kung satisfied ba ka, tapos kung sa biblical man good, kabalo na taon sa ang tama. Pero ginapray na ko kasi sa couple, dili man jud pareho mo tumong duha. Dili pareho mog mindset duha.
So, mo to nga point po na naka-decide po ko ngayon na kay simply sa mga vacant na mo na time is mag-Bible study. Say, nagyapon ang kami lang duha, mag-istorya. So, kami duha po ang nag-decide, dili lang isa-isa sa.
Pero at the end of the day, makaingon ka nga, worth it ang tanan kasi satisfied ka sa happiness nga imong gipangita. Mao na mong na-feel karon. Satisfied ni sa happiness nga nahitabo sa amoa karon.
The youth with 1,000 missionaries and education departments add aroma, vibrance, and vigor. Through Voice of Youth, friendship camps, and Kids for Jesus, they infused our ministry with energy and renewal. 1,000 missionaries trained and equipped, sowing seeds of hope and reaping lives renewed. All to the God of abundance. Our education leaders refined the curriculum to align with the Matatag curriculum, blending excellence and faith into every lesson. Kids for Jesus marinated students in a week-long evangelism, transforming lives beyond the classrooms. Children, women, and Adventist Possibility Ministries add sweetness, the sugar of compassion, the warmth of a family. Wrapped at women's ministries are the comprehensive Bible study training, leadership certification, and lead families to Christ. Folded in children's ministries are Pastor's Kids Evangelism and My Journey with God Kids Edition. Drizzled with fillings at the Adventist Possibility Ministries are the Evangelism Online and in local churches led by the physically challenged and the vulnerable, yet powerful garnish to the mission work. The Spirit of Prophecy and the Publishing Ministries preserve the recipe, guiding us to cook with God's principles. Publishing Ministries keep the kitchen running, leading prayer meetings and training literature evangelists, messengers of hope. Spirit of Prophecy is the master recipe, guiding symposiums and certification across missions and conferences. Adventist communities craft a bountiful life, serving the rich feast of Adventist heritage and Spirit of Prophecy celebration in schools, churches, and communities. The chain that binds it together is communication, the sauce that connects every flavor. Through Hope Channel South Philippines programs, reaching millions, providing a guide for the use of social media to leaders seasoned in our identity, blended our messages, and served our stories with excellence. Finally, Health and Adventist Mission bring forth the hearty main dish, programs that sustain body and soul. Through medical missions, certified health trainers, and community outreach, thousands were nourished with healing and hope. The table is where it all comes together, where efforts turn to fellowship and service becomes celebration. Every ministry has a seat. Every soul is welcomed. Every story matters. This is not just a feast. This is a fruit of our collective labor. The taste of mission fulfilled. The aroma of God's presence made real. From the fields of faith to the fires of preparation to the table of fellowship, we have harvested, we have prepared, and now we serve. The harvest never ends. Each grain we gather becomes a seed for tomorrow. As we plant again, we do so heart full, hands steady, and faith unshaken. For SWPUC, the mission continues. From harvest to the kitchen, to the table, until the final feast in heaven.